And we're back. What up, gang? Today, another fan asked question, and he asked, what's the protocol for features? And when he asked that, I think there was a little bit more to the question. He was asking specifically, like, am I responsible if I have somebody else get on my song? Who's responsible for getting the song mixed? Who's responsible for like the marketing? Who's responsible for this and that? It's not such a simple answer. That's probably why he asked it. But at the same time, it's like a logical thing here, right? If it's your song and you paid to get the feature for somebody else, or you had a friend hop on the song, whose album is it going on? If it's going on your project, primarily on your project, and then your name is first before the feature, you are primarily responsible for getting the vocals from that person and putting them onto the track and getting that song mixed and mastered. And if you're gonna shoot a video, you're responsible for the video. Maybe they can chip in, whatever. So anyways, if it's your song, you're responsible. That's how that goes. That's the protocol for that. Now, I actually have another video that I wrote a script for a long time ago, but it's so long I just never shot it because it's a lot. I'm gonna have to like show you like step by step with like screencast and everything like that. It's a video on how to actually collaborate with other people on the internet, step by step, how to receive the files, how to send the files, how to export your sessions, how to make sure the other person gets the files, and how to like it's a lot. I remember when I was first trying to like send vocals to even just a mix engineer, I had no idea how to do it, or how did this work, how did that work, how's it gonna work for them. I'll be making that in the near future. If one person is gonna ask the question, I assume that a lot of other people are actually wondering the answer to that question. That tends to be the case. So I figured that this did need to be answered. So again, if you get the feature from them, you're solely responsible. Anyways, I'm back with word of the day, so you know what time it is. I got this right here, man. It's time for word of the day. New words you can say, new words for your rhymes and for your wordplay. By the time you leave this video, you'll be smarter than you was before. This is so stupid. Word of the day, and if you don't like it, I don't like you anyway. Today's word of the day is orgulous. It means proud and arrogant, pretty much. Okay, so let's say all these LA sugar babies be with their orgulous sugar daddies, bragging about their wealth. And don't forget, you can see word of the days as well as inspirational videos and a lot of other stuff that's just entertaining as hell from my life. If you go to Instagram, you add me, Rob_level, shoot me a DM. I know a lot of you guys have been DMing me, I haven't responded yet. Well, it's a lot to read, but I try to respond. I do get some of them knocked out, and hope this helped you today. You just got a little bit smarter. I'm Rob Level, this is Smart Rapper. Please hit me with a like, please hit me with a comment, please hit me with a subscribe. And when you hit subscribe, hit the little bell so it notifies you every time I release a new video. We're over 100K, killing it. Appreciate y'all. Let's keep it grinding, let's keep it moving. I'll see you guys again tomorrow with another video. I'll see you at the top too. Keep hustling, gang.